Hello everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. You may think that I am just drowning in body oils and butters and things like that because I just talked about one last week, but it's good to have options. So I have a company today that makes skincare, body care, and hair care products handmade from Mongolia. And the name of the company is Lhamour Skincare. Lhamour is a company that makes handmade skincare using local ingredients from Mongolia, which is where the formulator is from. They are part of their philosophy is to be environmentally responsible, socially responsible. They really don't want to do any harm to you or the planet. So their packaging is recyclable, and they also use 100% recycled paper products as well. Mongolia is known for its extreme temperatures ranging from 100 degrees in the summertime to minus 100 degrees in the wintertime. The weather extremes are very difficult on the skin in particular, and their winters are long and quite dry. The formulator of this company returned to her native Mongolia after studying and finishing college in New York. And shortly after she returned, she began developing skin issues, rashes, irritations, acne. She tried a lot of different things and nothing was working for her. Her doctors told her that she should switch to using very gentle and natural products. And as a result of that, Lhamour Skincare was born. These products were developed to help with the not only the weather extremes, but air pollution and poor water quality as well. These were the things that the formulator and I will write her name because there's no way I'm going to pronounce it. But these are the things that were causing her skin irritations. She developed the Lhamour line using ancient remedies as well as ingredients that were sourced locally. These products are designed to be very gentle and healing, and the line includes, as I said earlier, skin, hair, body care, as well as products for new mothers and children and babies. So again, this line is really, really gentle. So let me show you my choices because I picked out a couple of products that I wanted to try. I picked out the honey and oatmeal soap. This is a natural soap that you can use on face or body. And then I also picked out this gorgeous beauty. This is the handmade sea buckthorn body butter. And this, I just want to show you quickly. That's not the color of the jar. That is the color of the product. And that's the sea buckthorn that gives it that color. So I want to talk a little bit about the ingredients they used because they are of Mongolia and found within their region. Starting with tallow is one of the base ingredients in most of their products, not all. The tallow is sourced from nomadic herders that have grazed their livestock in this region for centuries. They use the tallow themselves to combat the harsh weather conditions. They also responsibly and sustainably graze their herds in ways that actually strengthen the ecosystem. This tallow is rich in vitamins and fatty acids and also has a fatty acid profile that is very similar to the skin. So our skin knows exactly what to do with it when it comes into contact with it. My own experience, I have rendered tallow and I used it when in 2014 actually, when my skin had a severe allergic reaction. I had tried oils after oils after oils. My skin just burned, water would burn it. I have a friend who's a dermatologist who brought me a box of different lotions to try. All of them burned my skin, and I finally hit on tallow as a way to what I hoped would heal my skin, and indeed it did. I used it for about a year, and it not only did not burn, but it actually stopped the inflammation, healed my skin, and normalized my skin so that I could actually use other things, which I do now. The other ingredients that they use in their products are ethically sourced from small family farms, and some of these ingredients include, I'm going to read these quickly, sea buckthorn oil, rosehip, yak milk, honey. They also use fair trade practices to source their ingredients like coconut oils and soybean oils, which are non-GMO, of course. So this body butter contains many of the aforementioned ingredients, and the sea buckthorn in here is not only gives it this amazing color, but sea buckthorn promotes skin hydration and regeneration. It heals wounds, sunburn, it protects against environmental damage, and much, much more. The fragrance, there's lavender oil in here as well, which is what gives the fragrance, because it has a really pleasant sort of earthy, no, earthy is not the right word, not floral, maybe a little bit herbal, but it's definitely the sea buckthorn and the lavender is the first thing that my nose gets. But it's not, it's very pleasant, it's very mild, and the texture of this cream, actually this is a balm, this is more like a balm. As you can see, the texture here is, it has that oil, you know, like a light oil texture. It goes into the skin, and I love to use this after a shower when your skin is very plump from being in the water, to lock all that in. And then you can just feel like, just using it, I can feel my skin just softening up and you know, absorbing sort of the oil. I don't mind. I like using body oils. If you're someone who, you know, doesn't like the feel of oil on your skin, yeah, you might want to wait 5 minutes or so before you put your clothes on. I love it. I mean, I love the way that this feels. I use this throughout the day. I use it particularly after I finished washing dishes in hot water. My hands really feel dry. Lately, the weather here has been dry as well, and so I have will use this on my legs, on anywhere that would normally get flaky and dry in dry weather. I will throw this on. This is really good for, as I said, that occlusive locking in that moisture, and then once you've locked that in, you get the healing benefits of all the other oils and essential oils in here. The soap I mentioned in my favorites, not in my favorites, in my cleanser video I recently did. This takes off makeup. You can use this on your face. You can use it as a first cleanse, a second cleanse. You can use it on your body. You can use it anywhere. This has honey. It has oatmeal. So it's not only, you get a little bit of an exfoliation, but it's also really good at hydration, giving you hydration to the skin. My skin feels like silk when I cleanse it with this. This is good for all skin types, although it does say it's particularly good for drier skins. This has, let me read you quickly, it has olive oil, tallow, oats, honey, shea, and then sodium hydroxide turns all that into soap. These products are just, I feel like they are, if you're looking for something that you need things that will really heal up your skin, if you've had troubled skin in the past and you want a product line that will not irritate, that will, you know, help save your skin, this Lhamour is something that I think you should definitely check out. You can find these products at Amazon, at Lily's Bath Carry, at Safe and Chic, and there's one more. What is it? Flora Marketplace. I'm only familiar with Amazon, obviously, and Safe and Chic. I will link all the info about the company. If you go to their website, you can read the story, their founder's story, as well as see all of the 7 ladies who actually make these products for you, because as I said, they are definitely handmade, sustainable, beautiful company, beautiful ethic. I think their philosophy is love your body, love others, love the planet, and do no harm. And truly, that is definitely what you get when you purchase from Lhamour. They have a variety of soaps and serums and things for facial care, so I will link their website so you can check all that out. I also want to thank Tracy from Pink Moon Company, who provided me with these products. Pink Moon is a company that helps women-owned, ethical beauty and wellness brands connect with influencers, like-minded influencers like me. So they did send me these products. This, I can guarantee you, will be a repurchase product for me, both of these. So I want to thank Pink Moon. I'm really grateful that they introduced me to these, and I'm grateful for their support. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today, everyone. Thank you so very much for watching. And thank all of you who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did that. Just hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And if you have experienced Lhamour or thought about trying Lhamour, let me know in the comments below. So until I see you again in my next video, I'm wishing you all a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye, everybody, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, bye!